We are back at week 2 and I'm going to show you what's in store for week 2 and what we've done in week 1. Come through. We've just had 3 ton of type 1 turn up. Lovely jubbly. Ready to go in. Follow me. Come on. So just a little recap of what we done last week. We literally just ripped out the whole garden, got it back to basics. We put the fencing up. We put the concrete base in the corner, which is good, that's done. We've taken 10 ton of soil around to the back that needs to be spread. A little bit up and down at the moment. Up and down. We dug out for the patio. So this week, getting a cedar on the
Have you ever had a dream that you had
fence line? I can't talk today. So we're membraning this whole fence line. Got a lovely little tree there. It's gonna be fantastic. Do a little cut in there. So yeah, membrane this whole thing, and we're putting cedar. So we've got to Osmo oil each individual slat. We're gonna do it 3 times, front and back, on the edges, and I'll be putting another little video about that and how to do it and stuff like that. So that's going to be going up this week. So basically what we're doing, we're going to come through here, got to cut into the tree, and then we're just going to go a little bit past the shed, so it's a bit of an illusion, so you're not wasting cedar behind the shed because you're not going to see it, so it doesn't really matter. And then same thing this side as well. Out you get. This we're going to put with the cedar from this post all the way that side. We're not doing it that side just yet, but I'm going to try and persuade the customer to do it. She does want to do it, but it's quite a lot of money in it. And these posts here are next doors, and they're pissed as a fart. They're like me on a Friday night. Absolutely, yeah, they're not good. I'll show you how apt they are, actually. Oh. I don't know if you're doing these posts. Oh yeah. He fell over. That's how out it is. Look at the bottom. Ah, it's good, isn't it? Yeah, lovely. That's good. Proper. I've got my Wally brother coming in tomorrow to fix the panels up against the tree, because he's a chipper. He's pretty good, so he's just sorting that out tomorrow. So yeah, busy week. Stay tuned. Come on.